Here's another dental minute from Columbus, Georgia. Root canal pain and what to do about it. In the past, people who had problems with the nerve or root of their tooth had few options. In fact, in most cases, the only thing a dentist could do was to remove the tooth. That is why if people were looking for an emergency dentist in Columbus, Georgia with root canal related pain, the only recourse was an emergency extraction. However, today there's a procedure known as root canal therapy that can preserve the tooth. To understand this procedure, it is important to understand what is causing the problem. At the tooth's soft core is a substance known as the dental pulp. This pulp travels through the root of the tooth and provides the nutrients to the tooth. In certain cases, the nerve tissue can become diseased or damaged. When this happens, the circulation will stop and the pulp itself will become diseased. In addition, this condition can allow bacteria to form in and around the tooth, causing an infection. With a diseased pulp, the tooth cannot heal itself. If this infection is left unchecked, not only will it become extremely painful, it can also damage the tooth and surrounding jawbone. Ultimately, it could cause the loss of the tooth in question. What root canal therapy does is to clean out the root canal and remove the diseased pulp. Then the area where the pulp tissue was is filled to keep the bacteria out. The last step to the root canal therapy process is to place a crown over the tooth to ensure the strength and integrity of the tooth. Unlike what you may have heard about root canal procedures, the root canal therapy is not painful at all. If you are in need of an emergency dentist in Columbus because you are having pain that might be associated with a diseased root canal, you will be happy to know that the procedure can be done in as little as one session. However, regardless of how many visits your root canal therapy requires, you will have the comfort of knowing that unlike in the past, the beauty and continuity of your smile will not be compromised at all by a missing tooth.